Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Check that your Elista Smart TV is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone or PC, because mirroring requires a common network. Next, open settings on the TV and enable screen mirroring or mirrorcast. Leave that screen visible so the TV can receive connections. On your device, open the Cast or Project menu and scan for nearby displays. If you see the Elista model name, select it. You may be asked for a PIN. Don't close the TV prompt. Once connected, make sure the image fills the screen without cropping. You should verify aspect ratio and overscan in TV display settings and set resolution to match the TV, for example 1920 by 1080. Also pick where sound plays. On the TV speakers or the device, choose what fits your setup. If latency matters, enable game mode or lower resolution on the sending device to reduce lag. Finally, lock orientation or rotation on the source. To finish, stop casting from your device so the TV returns to normal. If things go wrong, first reboot the TV and router. That clears most network stalls. Make sure the TV firmware and your device OS are updated. Outdated drivers break mirrorcast. If you still see lag or dropouts, lower the mirror resolution, move devices closer to the router, or use an HDMI adapter for a wired connection. Wired is more reliable than wireless mirroring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.